Just emptied this out. Just sucked up a little bit. I'm going to show you how it is not really picking anything up. He just ate some donuts. These are fresh sprinkles all over the ground. And it's just not picking them up at all. It scoots them around the floor. But it just passes right over most of them. Picked some of those up. Didn't pick those up. Here, I'll kind of... We got this about a week and a half ago. So, and I've run it once every other day or so. So it hasn't really been stressed out too much. As you can see, it just goes right over the sprinkle mess and doesn't pick it up. Or you can just eat them off the ground. Don't eat them off the ground, Steven. We shall be returning this, I think.